How to export 4K video in CapCut on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now search for the app CapCut. Firstly, you have to update CapCut app to its latest version. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can launch it. Now click on this option of New Project. Now open the video that you want to edit and export in 4K. Now at the very bottom, you're gonna find different options of CapCut. You can use these features to edit your video. And once you are done with the editing part, to export this video, at the top right corner you will find this icon, click on it. Now you'll see this option of quality, click on it. Now over here you're gonna find different options as resolution, frame rate, code rate and smart SDR. You have to increase this resolution option, set it to 2K or 4K and then click on done. Now you can export this. Click on this option of save to device. So this way you can easily export 4K video in CapCut on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.